When you take off this bottom cover, it's held on by 3 pins. That's it. Just pull that down and you can access everything. Hello, today we're going to replace the blend door actuator on a 2007 Honda Accord. The AC is blowing out hot because this actuator is stuck, so we're going to replace it so it'll move again. Disconnect this electrical connector, go into the actuator. To remove this screw of the actuator, remove this bracket, 12mm. Loosen up that bolt back there. Loosen up the bracket. Move the bracket out of the way. See, get that last screw out. There it is. Actuator out. Put this one in. When you put the actuator in, put the actuator back in, put it all the way to cold. You'll see it be in the down position. Put it back up on the blend doors. Lay it in the grooves. Let's tighten it back up. Tighten up the top actuator screw and put the bracket back on. Top screw tightened down, 2 bottom screws tightened down. Tighten with the bracket, loosen to access the screw. Tighten the bracket at the top. There it is. Good to go. Actually to move, we put it to hot, and then we put it to cold. Back in the cold position. Actuator blend door is good to go. Got cold air. Thanks for watching. This video helped you out. Leave the comments below.